you see and sleep. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat, soft and furry. D is for dog who runs in a hurry. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for grapes, purple and small. H is for hat, big or small. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly, wiggles in your tummy. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. N is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest where birds take a breeze. O is for owl, hoo-hoo at night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Q is for queen with the crown so bright. R is for rabbit, hopping out of sight. S is for star, shining up high. T is for train chugging right by. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin strings you can try. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yellow like the bright sun. Z is for zebra, striped and fun. Now we've learned our ABC. Sing with me, 1, 2, 3. Next time won't you sing with me? Our ABC, sing with me, 1, 2, 3. Next time won't you sing with me?